Morning.
Morning.
How are we?
Good. You okay?
I'm good, thanks. How you doing?
Good. You okay?
Yeah, good, thanks.
Good summer?
Yeah, good. Yours?
Yeah, good.
How are you? Oh, wow. Wow. How are you? You're right. Okay. Hello. Yes. Okay. Pascal. You right? You right? Does do you want to start? Yes. All right. Yeah, very well. You? Are you much?
Aïcha!
You got one?
No!
Aïcha!
No! Et mon tigre!
Ça va toi?
Tu vas bien mon tigre?
Ouais, tiens-moi.
C'est moi, c'est
Tiens-moi.
That when you went to see a change room?
That's the earliest thing.
No, so
they
that
were saying,
was-
yeah, we'll rotate games. So you'd have been doing a game a week if they were in
5, 6. Random or circular 7, 8.
What a day. What a day. Oh, come on, give me some love. Give me some love. Oh, I miss you. I miss you. Oh, you took got me away from my kids soon because of God's sake. Right. I see them walking with his purple top. Was he? He's training, isn't he? Yeah. Oh, yeah, but Pep was. So he wanted to do it here, but he wasn't allowed. He's not allowed. It says P. No. P's not for me.
11 August 99.
I seen it a minute ago, now I can't see it. Like, no, I can see like all of it flat. So like now and again, I can see that flashing up, flashing. Yeah, but not together. Not together. So if you look
You've done both of these, right?
Hey! Oh, he's back! Back and he's married. Are you married? He told me this morning. That's when I found out. Can we get him some? Can we get him some? Yes, already. He's not even got the skin. Get him some kit that fits him.
I'm in the change room. That's difficult, you know.
What is that?
It's just like concussion test. But one of them you have to walk in a straight line like this. And then you start on a number, you go -7 till you get down to 0. It's not my thing.
Murder, Sadra, Uncut.
Saddle, anchor, jacket, movie, leather, cotton, paper.
Right. I don't think I've set up yet.
No, we'll set it up. Just
Okay, perfect.
go through loads of different
Yeah, okay, perfect.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, cool.
Just the other line, okay?
And that?
And back, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
No obvious signs of boxing.
How was your 80 from -7? All good?
Yeah. Oh my god, I was cooking. Oh, look at me. You okay?
Yes, good mate.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. Good. Yeah, that's normal. Completely fine. Do you want us on? Yeah, do you want?
Nice. I think I've got to go. Scan? Yeah.
I can't find the table, so that's...
tracks. The black gravel track.
Well, new things, yeah? Sponsored by Red Bull. Yeah. How do I look?
Fantastic.
Steady, yeah?
Yeah.
What is it?
I've got one bottle for fair.
Then one step outside, back pedal back. Swings. And side to side on the way back. It's not looking good. Then on the way back, check in on your quad, hip flexor. last bit. Turn and quick running.
Change to speed 15. 15, 1. 1. Three. 19, 1. 24. 6. 27.
Now you push. Pushing, keep pushing. Come on, pick it up.
22, 1.
Yes, come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Okay, well done you for test 1.
22.
First minute. Keep pushing. Only 3 minutes left. It's less than 3 minutes left. Keep pushing.
Joint first in the bleep.
Ben Young gonna order.
Was you? Yeah, and I was there. Did I catch you? That's about 5 times. You run off us.
Alright, well done.
Grab your stuff, go inside to cool down.
Boys, recovery ice baths, yeah?
Joel, bleep winner and caught a few there.
True. Just shows the fitness in it.
Good shift.
Nice Charlie. Double his height, his weight. Running, don't you like that? To be fair, largely he was good, man. Largely was good. No, you know when you... Yes.